I got it in my heart. But my mentality was to finish this by somehow. So then I started trying after hours of hours. I put on the work and then I finish it. So then I cannot finish it for one other problem. The problem was I didn't have proper guidance. Proper guidance. That's why I cannot finish it. After seeing the proper guidance, after doing it step by step, I finally finish it. So one thing let me tell you right now. In your career, if you don't have the proper guidance, you cannot never be successful. For example, most of us right now, let me give the example by math. So right now, first of all, we are learning 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. Then we're going to 3 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 7, then division, then algebra and lot of things. So and if you go by starting from algebra, it will be not possible for you to learn. So now another thing, mentality. If you have the mentality, nothing can stop you. There will be a lot of struggles, but if you have the mentality, then obstacles. If you have the mentality, then no one is there to stop you. For example, like your mentality is to ride bicycle. If you got hurt, there will be your mentality. No, I gotta ride my bicycle. Then you will ride it by hook or by crook. Now another thing, let me tell you, hard work. You know there is a sentence saying hard work beats talent. If you have talent, that's good. I know everybody over here have talent, but most of the time you see that everybody is thinking that, oh, I have talent, I'll just read for 2 hours or 3 hours, then it will be alright and I'll be fast and second. But if you don't do the hard work, then how will you be fast? Because hard work pays off all the things. Now another thing. Also, let me give you an example. So, I'm on the example. So, in a debate competition, I had a debate. I was thinking that, oh, I know every details about it. No one can defeat me. But another friend of mine was just trying hard and hard. He was practicing hard and hard, hours and hours. But what happened? I became second, he became fast. So that's what happens when you don't do hard work. So let me tell you these things. Through these things, we can learn that in our life we need proper guidance, mentality, and hard work, so that we can be successful and we will be successful in our life. And let me give one person's example. Do you know Elon Musk? Everybody knows the Elon Musk. He is the world's richest man. So he has a SpaceX company. So 3 times or 2 times he launched a rocket. So first 2 times or 1 time he has failed, but the last time when he did that, he success. And after that, no one could stop him. So we can learn from that. If you do hard work, if you do try, like if you do the hard work and try a lot of times, no one can stop you. Never give up. Another thing is that never give up. So that's it. See you another day. Goodbye.
Okay, big hands for Purvo. Okay, wonderful presentation. It's really very amazing.